Is drain cleaning plumbing? That's the big question nowadays.
What do you mean is drain cleaning plumbing?
Yeah, I watch. You don't watch YouTube? Like everybody's saying that like plumbing and drain cleaning are two separate things.
I've been doing this shit for 25 years, all right? And I ain't never heard anybody say that. Of course it's plumbing.
Well, actually, it's kind of like more of a diagnostic thing. I would feel like because it's not like you have to run all this stuff in order to do a sewer or dig up a sewer, and then like putting the pipe in would be plumbing, right?
No, the whole goddamn thing is plumbing, all right? When you wake up in the morning, what do the customers say? I got a clog, all right? We go to the damn clog, okay? We cut the clog out. We put the damn pipe in. All right, so what is it then? Then it ain't plumbing?
Well, no, I'm talking about like just like cleaning the drain only. Like,
Well, who the hell would do that?
I don't know. There's people out there that just go around cleaning drains.
What the hell?
Yeah, I mean, you just need to watch YouTube more. It's seriously like it's a big dispute that's been going on for a while. Like people are getting heated about it. Like,
Well, I'm gonna tell you something right now. If someone's willing to go around cleaning drains with no intention to make any more money for doing the sewer, then you better leave them alone because they've lost their goddamn mind.
so you can kind of see then like how some people are saying that drain cleaning isn't plumbing.
Well, I guess, but that doesn't make any sense. Like I said, who in their right mind would do that? You can make some damn good money doing sewer work now.
Yeah, I know, but like they're not trying to do the sewer. They're just trying to clear the clog.
So you mean to tell me that there's some hooligans out there taking our jobs?